The final week of September kicked off quietly. Uncertainty in Asian markets is ebbing amid the rebound of US futures and the rally of Brent crude. The Shanghai Composite index was down by more than 1% due to reports about serious financial difficulties of China's second-largest real estate developer, Evergrande. Market participants are hardly surprised by this news. Last week, the company did not fulfill its interest payments on its US dollar bond. So it's a matter of time before Evergrande will face a technical default. Let's discuss what's going on in the Asian session. The US dollar index is trading at its highs near the level of 93.40. It's highly likely to break above this level today. Yet, shortly after, it may slightly retreat. The US dollar is likely to stay in the current trading range for some time, as analysts see no reasons for its decline. The dollar-yen pair has been growing steadily for the last 3 days. It broke above the target level of 110.65. To some extent, this increase was rather unexpected. However, it does not mean that the greenback will cement the bullish momentum and the pair will reach 111.39 and 112.22. On the contrary, the price may rebound from the current level, dropping to 109.65. The likelihood of such a scenario totals 70%. The main reasons for the pair's decline are the stock market's worse and the overall weakening of the US dollar against the counter-currencies. On Friday, the Australian dollar fell by 35 pips, but shortly after it made an attempt to recoup losses. This morning, the quotes were also growing. However, the oscillators remain in the negative zone, so the price may go down to 0.7250. Yet, tomorrow, the Aussie is likely to assert strength, rising to the range of 0.7340 and 73.90 formed in July-September. The dynamic of the US dollar shows that risky assets have lost luster with investors. Currently, some major risks still weigh on market sentiment. For instance, uncertainty over Evergrande, as many US institutional investors have largely invested in the company. Besides, there is no certain answer on the timing of Fed's taper. The start of QE reduction may postpone an increase in the interest rate. And finally, traders still fear the slowdown in the expansion of the world economy after the coronavirus crisis. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.